This is the only time you need to set up and sticker your bra and pads. Grab your anti-slip silicone stickers. You will see a little cat ear in the corner. This is the side you will remove first. Peel back to reveal the sticky side of the sticker. Align with the inside of the bra paddle and push firmly. It's okay if it covers up the holes, and it's okay if there are bubbles. Nobody sees this. Remove the clear film and repeat on the other side. If you have a logo sticker or a clear sticker, don't worry. They both function and adjust the same. The only difference is the packaging. Remove with the cat ear side first. Align with the inside of the bra paddle and press down firmly. You will then remove the clear film to reveal the anti-slip silicone grip. These are not sticky, but grip the pads and your breasts. You'll see it overhang slightly, and we do this intentionally. Just tuck them up underneath. If you ever need to replace your anti-slip silicone stickers, that's where you will grab them from. Next, we are going to be applying the anti-slip silicone stickers to the volumizing pads. On the inside of the pads above the slit, you are going to apply the sticker. Press firmly and remove the clear piece of film. This is the only time you need to set up your bra kit, and never remove the anti-slip silicone stickers. Once applied, they will last many, many wears and can be reactivated with a dab of water and rub dry. They grip the breasts and are not sticky. For your curvy pads, these pads require 2 stickers. You're going to remove the cat ear side first, place it on the side of the pad. Because there is more room, we will need to add 2 stickers to ensure it grips the breast. Repeat and place it above the slit on the side. Press firmly and remove that clear piece of film. Your anti-slip silicone pads grip and will make a squeaky noise. If they lose grip, you can add a dab of water and rub dry. Toner works as well. If you plan on being highly active, I recommend our extra sticky biogel pads. These are sweat and water resistant, and they are not going anywhere. I highly recommend starting with the regular anti-slip silicone stickers because it's easier to adjust and get used to the bra. You're all set. Now you can adjust your bra to your specific shape.